Hey, what's going on YouTube? Lionel here, and I had a quick unboxing video. So this is my second split from clay. I don't have a bunch of time, so I'm going to just unbox this and see what I got, see if there's any surprises. So let's see what we got. Spencer, I got my knife, Spencer. So just in case you wanted to know. It's like I'm fishing for something. Sorry. Anyway, here's what I got from Clay Split. So let's put my dog in hand. That's what I'm gonna do. I love clay. I absolutely adore these atomizers. Um, Another 50 mil Aventus. Such gorgeous juice. Then I got a. I like this one. Is that? Yes, sir. Jardine. Wow, this is a little more than 5 mils, brother. I appreciate it. You know what? I think there was a top in here somewhere. Anyway, so then he sent me a couple of more samples. Something. Can't wait to see what it is. Oh, some Andy Tar. Zeta. Never heard of that one. Some Inigo Tall. It's called Dual. And a little bit of Royal Service. Nice, Clay. This is Royal Service. This is some very, I don't know if you know about it, but Creed made like just a few bottles of this. Not much of this is around. So at least I'll get to uh, put a little bit on my arms. I'll find a little atomizer to put this in, Clay. I really appreciate that. Um, Thank you, man, so much for the Jardine. Gotta try to get this tape up off here. So anyway, this is it. This is my split unboxing from Clay. Thanks again, brother. I know you'll never do this Aventus again, but definitely, guys, if you're if Clay's ever offering something that you're interested in, please don't hesitate to get with him. He is a lovely guy, great to do business with. I'm always impressed. His packaging is great, and uh, I mean, what can you say? Man, I really do. I really do appreciate it, Clay. It's a little late. I'm tired, but I did want to get this video out today because I don't know what the rest of the week is going to look like. So, um, again, Clay, Q and A, um, Q and Aaron. So, um, if you guys ever are interested in splits, man, contact him. I think he was talking about doing some original Santal. Get with him on it. I'm definitely going to get with him on original Santal. Uh, and I may talk to him about this uranium pour monsieur, which is the split, which is a Frederick Mall, fresh, minty. Think of a very elegant type of roaster minus the vanilla. So, anyway, that's it for me. I appreciate you guys. Peace.